Welcome to State House Rock. I'm Policy Specialist Brian Roth. Emergency rules were released by the Workers' Compensation Commission Monday, stating frontline workers who contract COVID-19 will be rebuttably assumed to have contracted the disease while on the job. It is currently unknown if the presumption is limited to the infection phase or if long-term damage will be covered under workers' compensation. Expect to hear more about this as Illinois employers and their insurers grapple with the implications. Governor Pritzker and state health officials now say the numbers of positive tests for COVID-19 show the curve may now be bending, but cautioned it is not a reason to relax restrictions. The governor has made national headlines due to his ongoing feud with President Trump over the lack of medical supplies provided by the federal government and their differing responses to the ongoing pandemic. The governor's office announced Monday that the Department of Employment Security received over 500,000 claims between March 1st and April 4th. This is more than all of the claims received in 2019 and 5 times more than claims received in the first 5 weeks of the 2008 recession. Pritzker has received criticism from those trying to file claims, but were unable to because of the massive influx. The governor says he has hired extra staff, partnered with numerous companies to help handle the influx, and blamed an antiquated database system used to process claims. The gig economy is also feeling the impact. New rules from the Federal Department of Labor says gig workers can claim unemployment if they have been forced to suspend operations due to the pandemic. Construction and professional services are still considered essential businesses, but we are hearing reports of surveyors unable to access county data in some counties. The legislature has not been in session since the end of March and is not expected to return anytime soon. The Capitol complex has been closed to the public since that time, and only essential personnel are present. The House and Senate have created working groups to review major legislative issues, including the capital budget and economic revitalization. These groups are expected to make determinations as to which issues should be addressed when the legislature returns to Springfield. The University of Illinois Institute of Government and Public Affairs recently released research predicting state revenues to decline by as much as $28 billion between 2020 and 2023 due to the current pandemic. When the legislature does return to the Capitol, they likely will pass a budget and deal with only the most pressing issues, then adjourn until the fall veto session. That's it for this edition of State House Rock. Thank you for watching.